Garden seeds at Walmart. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Seeds at Walmart. Hello, everybody. So, they have seeds at Walmart right now, as you can see. Most of their seeds are out. You have seeds for vegetables, flowers, herbs. Over here, you have annual flowers right here. These are the seeds for annual flowers. And the seeds cost $1.44 a pack. And over here you have vegetable seeds and herb seeds. Got spinach, radish, pumpkin, you have okra seeds. See? So onions, parsnips, corn, peas, peppers, sweet peppers. You have cucumbers. You have some green beans, garden beans. Over here they have some different varieties. These are fairy moss seeds. You have organic on this side. You have soy coated seeds on this side. And like I said, they have different varieties. These ones are $2.46. And they have different selections and different seeds, varieties for different plants. So definitely take a look at it and see. It's much cheaper to start seeds, start your seedlings this way instead of buying the seedlings. You save a lot of money because a pack would give you at least 20, 30, minimum 20, 30 seeds, and the pack is like $2, say max $3, $4, and that's just the price of buying one seedling. So definitely start your seeds early, start them indoors. I have a couple of videos that shows you how to start your seeds indoors and then transplant them outside in the container of the garden. That way you're able to save on seedlings and also get a good start on your growing. So let's check out this side. This side you still have different variety of seeds here, and these ones are $1.96 over here. Summer squash, winter squash, tomatoes, watermelon, sweet pepper, beets, and over here you have herbs, cilantro, parsley, lavender, and these ones are $1.64 a pack. So here, this side has organic. All of these are organic seeds, and you have green beans. You have different variety of beans, radish, pumpkin, cabbage, herbs, watermelon, cantaloupes, tomatoes, different variety of tomatoes, pumpkins. So that's what they have on this. So also when you're starting seeds, hopefully you have your seed starting containers. They have some seed starting containers here. I'll see if I can put a link to some of these, some of the areas where you can get good deals on seed starting containers and seeds. If you're not close to a Walmart or a Home Depot, you can get your seeds online. I'll put a link in the description. So here you have seed starting trays. These ones are reusable seed starting trays that you can use them several times, several seasons, and that saves you money. These are 16. These are much bigger ones. These are good for like herbs and tomatoes because they have bigger container sets or soil. They can hold much more of your material. Over here, this is 72 seed starting cell trays, and these ones are 19.97. And these are greenhouse that come with everything, and all you need to do is soak it in water and plant your seeds, and it comes with a little cover that covers it, and it gives it a greenhouse effect. So here you have more of those seeds I was talking about. They have different varieties of peppers and garlic, onions, and the rest. So these are cups. These ones are recommended for if you're planting plants that are gonna stay in the seed starting trays or seed starting containers for a long time before getting planted. Like peppers usually take a long time for them to grow, and then they grow in the pots, and you can just transplant them into the container or into the garden. So this is also great for tomatoes because they have much bigger space and they can hold it, tomatoes for a lot longer than those small trays. And these ones are like $4.36. And then you have your growing peats. These are just growing peats that you soak them in water and use them to plant your seeds. And they have over here the seed starting mix. The seed starting mix, this is $5.97, almost $6. You can get seed starting mix from the store like this, or you can make your own seed starting mix. It's much cheaper to make your own seed starting mix. But if you not able to do that, you can buy them from the store like this. I have a video that shows you how to make your own seed starting mix and give you much better quality. So check out that video. I'll see if I can put a link to that in the description below. Okay, that is it. That's what they have for seed startings and seeds. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, you need any help with anything. I'll try to answer as many as possible. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Thanks for watching and happy growing, everybody.